turning right at all. No, it is. Can't turn it back around. I can't turn it this way.
I'm not gonna lie, Zach, I can't even see if I'm recording it. It's so small.
Oh, that's bad. I cannot bring it back this way because of the wind. I think I'm coming this way.
Watch Lily, please.
It's just gliding.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not touching anything. That's probably not good.
And
It glides.
uh-oh, watch.
I think I need to not touch the throttle side as much as the thing. Yeah, that's what it is.
Over here, yeah.
I didn't break anything. Probably should have just landed it and then done this.
You got it. Just slow it on down, honey.
It's super easy.
Don't hit that guy. Zachary.
I'm not trying to. I'm trying to get away from him. I'm going to hit the sign. Oh my god. I can't turn it around.
Okay. Watch out for Lily. Zach.
Freaking me out.
Yeah, I see it.